It is true that my focus, my priority of my administration at present is health talaga. The total budget of our province, 70% of our budget is allocated to health. We operate 10 hospitals.
Dito sa aming probinsya, ang aming sigaw ay tao ang una. So it is just but fitting that the primary program of the provincial government is on health. Whatever it may cost, we try our best to give efficient service to the people of Eastern Samar. So when the office of the governor asked the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, we received the notification last week to ask an authority from the Sangguniang Panlalawigan that he be able to enter into an MOU with the NAC and the St. Luke's team. Agad-agad binigay namin dahil sobrang galak kami na andito kayo na tutulong sa amin para sa mabuting kalusugan ng mga tao sa Eastern Samar.
Nandito kami sa Borongan, Eastern Samar upang maghatid ng serbisyong medikal. Hangad ng Nickel Asia at Nickel Asia Foundation ang magbigay ng makabuluhan na makasaysayan na tulong sa ating mga kababayan. Dahil dito, nakipag-partner tayo sa St. Luke's Medical Center Foundation para madala yung kanilang mga espesyalista sa mga lugar na kailangan ng tulong.
When I came in, talagang napaka-sad state ng aming mga hospitals. Ni walang mga x-ray, ni walang ambulance, kahit isang ambulance, even the provincial hospital. Kaya nung umupo po kami, itong team namin, we immediately purchased 20 ambulance. Tapos in-equip namin lahat ng hospital ng at least x-ray machine. Yung mga basic na ano. Now, we have a dialysis center, we have I think we are the only provincial hospital in the whole of Region 8 with such a dialysis center. We're trying to continue, monitor, introduce reforms, ensure that the delivery of our hospitals are felt by our people. Your coming here is a blessing to our people.
Mula rito, umaasa po kami ng patuloy na pakikipagtulungan sa probinsya ng Eastern Samar upang makapaghatid po ng kalidad na serbisyo medikal sa tulong po ng ating kapartner, ang St. Luke's Medical Foundation.
Sometimes everybody thanks us, but actually we would like to thank you for giving us an opportunity to help people, because that is our mission, to help people. So if we don't have anybody like you to give us an opportunity, then we're not carrying our mission in the foundation. The province actually is the first one that we are trying a new program from St. Luke's Medical Center Foundation, which is bringing St. Luke's expertise and culture of care to the underserved. Our chairman of the board and the board members were telling us that we should do these things every month.
Isa pong napakasayang kasi malaki pong tulong sa akin kasi isa po akong distress OFW. Umuwi pa ako na may sakit so parang natuwa po ako na naka-abil ako kasi wala po akong trabaho. Tapos naka-maintenance din po ako kasi wala na akong thyroid.
So, malaking tulong po sa akin itong operasyon na to.
Laking tuwa po namin na magkakaroon po ng medical mission po kasi pagkakaalam ko po, libre po siya. Laking bagay po ng 200,000 tapos malilibre lang po siya. Maraming salamat Governor Ben P. Evardoni sa tulong niyo po sa mga kapuspalad po na katulad po namin na naka-avail po ng programa niyo at sa staff po ng St. Luke's Medical Center, sa mga doctors po na nag-opera sa asawa ko, maraming salamat po. At sa Nickel Asia Corporation, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Nagpapasalamat kami ng anak ko kay Governor Ben P. Evardoni sa kanyang pag-initiate para makatulong sa mga nangangailangang tulad namin, walang pangpa-opera sa mga private na hospitals. Iyon, natuloy din. Ngalawa po, nagpapasalamat din kami sa St. Luke's Medical Hospitals. Ang kanilang mga doktor na pinadala dito, magagaling po sila. Successful yung operation sa anak ko at saka sa NAC. Maraming pasalamat po sa inyong mga donasyon para matupad itong surgical mission na to ngayong taon. Maraming salamat po.
Ang dream ko is to have an easy and equal healthcare access regardless of your belief or your political affiliation. Dapat pag Pilipino ka, pantay ang makakamtan mo na health services regardless kung nasa Samar ka or nasa urban areas ka. Kaya this partnership is an answer because somehow ang mga tao dito na-access ang services kung nung mga tao na nandoon sa Manila. I mean, those people who can afford to go to St. Luke's Medical Center na kakamtan din yan ng mga less fortunate people in the province of Eastern Samar.
Isa sa mahalagang nakita namin ay ang pakikipag-ugnayan sa pangkalusugan. Napaka-importante sa aming mga stakeholders ang kalusugan sa pamayanan na kung saan naroon kami. May operations ang Nickel Asia at ang kanyang mga subsidiary company. At ang mga programang ito ay nagpapatunay na isa ito sa malaking ugnayan ng dalawang organisasyon. Kami bilang isang nasa industriya at ang pamayanan.
Kami po ang dapat magpasalamat dahil ito ay matagal na rin naming kagustuhan na magkaroon ng isang medical mission dito. Ang amin pong company, yung Hinatuan Mining Corporation, has been existing for more than 15 years. And that's why we are really aiming to have this medical mission conducted. At sa susunod po mga taon ay kami po umaasa sa inyong support. At ito ay a tripartite agreement between the province of Eastern Samar, the St. Luke's Foundation, and Nickel Asia.
For me, the more special portion of this, aside from doing the surgery, was actually doing the lectures because if you just go to one place and do the surgeries, do the consultations, and then leave, it feels like it's just a one-time thing that you're able to do. But if you help the ones that are left behind, make them more equipped medically, with more knowledge of the specialty, then they will be able to carry on the treatment necessary for the specialty.
Indeed, I can say our hearts are full, and thanking you all is not enough. So I pray to up above, may He bless you in whatever His plans are for you. Damo, damo nga salamat. Keep coming back to Eastern Samar, the land of beautiful sunrise and beautiful people. Damo nga salamat.
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 Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Damo nga salamat. Damo nga salamat. Kaayo nga tanan.